Alrighty, what book are you reading us?
Don't push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give it one little push. Boop. Ah, now I'm mellow. Push again. Eek! Now I'm there with polka dot. Push it twice. Boop, boop. Ah! That was two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Boop, boop, boop. Ah! Ow! Shut the book to get rid of the extra lyrics! Boom! 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 Almost a little more. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, there you go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch, 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 scratch. Ha! Ha! That tickles. Okay, let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe you should give it a couple more pushes. Boop, boop, boop. The end.
Good job.